Now I am going to call on my stage to a miracle girl, and she is Sunandini. She is with our organization since 2016. मैं हमेशा यंग जो लड़का लड़की लोग हैं, वो लोग जो भी फील्ड में काम करते हैं, उन लोगों को मदद करने का कोशिश करता हूँ. पेशेंस चाहिए और एक प्रोसेस है, ये कोई मैजिक तो है नहीं. जब रिजल्ट एकदम मिराकल आता है, लोग बोलते हैं ये मैजिक है, बट मैं एक चीज़ मानता हूँ कि पेशेंस के साथ, क्योंकि मैं एक मैग्नेट के ज़रिए एक लोहे को घिस रहा हूँ, उसके अंदर लोहे का कैरेक्टर जितना होगा, जितना ज़्यादा वेबर पार्टिकल्स अलाइन होगा, उतना जल्दी वो मैग्नेटाइज्ड होगा. तो ये मेरा इच्छा और एफर्ट के साथ साथ उसका धारण जो क्षमता होता है उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंडेंट है. मानो कि आपके दरवाजे पे दूध लेके आया, दूध वाला, आप अगर एक कटोरा लेके गए और उसको उल्टा करके, तो नीचे गिरेगा. सीधा किया, अभी सीधा करने के बाद भी तो क्लीन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो फटेगा. अभी छोटा कटोरा लेके आओगे, बड़ा लेके आओगे, दूध वाला के पास बहुत दूध है, तो आप जितना कैपेसिटी है उतना लेना. इट इज डिपेंडिंग हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रिसीव थिंग्स. कंटेनर क्लीन और बड़ा होना चाहिए, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. इम्प्लीमेंट करते वक्त अगर कारीगर बहुत अच्छा हो तो भी शिव जी का मूर्त बनेगा. कारीगर बहुत अच्छा है, मिट्टी अच्छा नहीं है तो भी नहीं हो सकता. शिव जी के चेहरे पे मुहा से आएगा. जो कारीगर नहीं होगा अच्छा, शिव जी के जगह पे बंदर बनाएगा. तो यू हैव टू हैव दैट टैलेंट एंड क्वालिटी एट द सेम टाइम द मीडिया ऑल्सो, तो ये होता है. तो मैं सबके लिए मेहनत करता हूँ. तो वो रिसीव करने के बाद, मेटिक्यूलसली फॉलो करने के बाद, जितना लोगों को मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया, सारे के सारे लोगों का रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छा नहीं बोलूँगा, बहुत अच्छा है. एंड वन ऑफ देम इज Sunandini Sujit Bose. Please come on stage. Thank you. Thank you. Stage is yours.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Am I audible? Yeah. Great. Thank you. It's great to see all of you here. For those who don't know me, my name is Sunandini Sujit Bose, and I finished my graduation and my post-graduation from London. I came back and I joined the Boston Consulting Group. It's my 11th year running there, and I'm extremely proud. And let me take you through my journey today, right? Thank you. Is this good? Can everybody see this? Awesome. That was who am I. So in today's topic, I just want to share how this subject has amplified the strength of my brain, so to say, right? In today's day and age, it's extremely demanding. Everything is so demanding. People want the maximum, people want the best of value, people want to see what one can bring, minimum effort and maximum impact, right? And if I have to talk about competitive world, I think a very interesting thing that we all sometimes miss is whatever project we work on, whatever organization or firm, we're actually working with human mind. And human mind is really the most powerful thing on this planet, right? And every single human brain is so interesting, so complex, and that's what makes it competitive. Just like you see here, there's a rhino versus there's an eagle, there is an elephant, and every single being here has their own characteristic. That's what makes it complex and interesting. As I progressed in my career, what I realized was that our brain goes through various priorities in life, right? But one thing that's very, very important is there is absolutely no substitute to hard work. But in addition to hard work, there are a few things that play a huge role in how we perform in our day-to-day life. And for example, it could be relationships, it could be the environment, it could be the culture, and many other dynamics, right? And the way our brain accustoms us in all of that. And psychology says that our brain spends a lot of time in people management. And these are the major three buckets where our brain really spends the time. And why is it complex? I'll let you all read this for a minute, right? Consistency, transparency, confidentiality, power dynamics, alignment. There is so much that we expect our brain to process in our day-to-day life. And the reason why this is so complex is because constantly we are trying to juggle between so many preferences, difficult judgments to make, emotional toll of confrontation, tailor-cut approach. Constantly we want to bring value. And that's why I said that life is so competitive and demanding right now, right? That's what's needed for us to excel in our life. Emotional intelligence, adaptability, and social intelligence. Right? But we're not born with these skills. Our brain really has to get trained, or it has to be exposed to some of these, and people get exposed through experiences, through learnings, right? As I reflect back, that's my journey. I'll let you all see that for a minute. As I reflect back on my journey, I realized that my brain actually worked differently in various stages of my life, and I actually met Rohit Dada at the stage of 2016, but I'll come to that. In 2014, when I had just started my career, I was only focusing on learning the fundamentals, just learning the work, learning to understand what am I expected to deliver, what are the things that I need to do, and so on. The regular basic day-to-day approach that one takes. Moving on, when I moved to 2016, what's interesting, I was actually focusing on establishing credibility, and that's where I met Rohit Dada, or Rohit Kaku, that's how I call him. And that changed something in my mind, right? The way I look at things, the way I approach things. There was some click in my mind. I was focusing on establishing credibility. That is, of course, based on the skill that I learned, my fundamentals. But I started working and creating my own brand. In 2016, the way I was performing, the word errorless was tagged to me. And that was my establishing credibility through my work, through the output that I gave, through the value that I gave. And as I progressed in 2019, I was focusing on building relationships, and something further evolved in my mind. I was focusing on how can I create relationships? What is it that I can bring on the table for others? What is the value that I can bring in? And what's the impact that I can create in others' life and not just my life? Right? And then when I moved in to 2023, I started thinking big picture. What is it that I can do over and beyond? How can I take my function to the next level? How can I take my team to the next level? What is it that my organization can further see through me? It was a complete mind shift change for me. And then when I moved into 2025, I actually started working as a senior team leader a couple of months back itself. And today I look at things in the sense, how can I bring in a cultural change? And I think every single time I crossed a milestone, it was different. And it's interesting, when I look around, I don't see this kind of a mind change. what I want to share here is that it is interesting how I see how my brain works, and it works really differently from others, and I don't know if words can do justice to that. Few things that make me feel extraordinary, and this I'm not saying on my experience basis last 1 year or 2 years. This is literally basis my experience since 2016. My brain is always brimming with energy, right? I'm so alert, I can probably sense hint like that. And trust me when I say that. My brain is constantly performing even at a very high pressure situation. And what's very interesting is that I feel my brain is powerful enough that I can bring in success not just to my junior team members, but also to my senior team members. And that to me is success. So I'm capable of bringing success to others and not just to myself. That to me is extraordinary. What's extraordinary to me is when I look at a glass which is half full, or rather a glass which is half empty. I don't look at it as half empty. I look at it as half full. And I'm thinking, what is it that I can do to make it completely full? That to me is extraordinary. I was not born with this. This came to me with a lot of hard work. This came to me with a lot of support. And that is exactly what the subject did to me. This is exactly what the subject did. And it's nothing but it's pure science. I believe that today. It's absolutely pure. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's pure science. And like every other field, this subject needs consistency and it needs discipline. And the rest of it is outcome for me to experience and for the world to see. My organization has thanked me for the kind of value that I bring to them. And that's through the discipline that this subject has brought in. Right. With that, I would like to call Rohit Dada or Rohit Kaku on stage. And I'm extremely thankful to God and Divine for bringing this opportunity to me at the right time in my life. Thank you, Rohit Kaku.
You are really proud of all of us. जितने लोग हैं सबके लिए you are a miracle girl and a symbol of inspiration. मैं इसीलिए आपको तीनों consecutive 3 years उन्होंने BCG is a big company, Boston Consultancy Service Group, इतना बड़े कंपनी है, उसमें outstanding performer, consecutive 3 years prize और बेस्ट परफॉर्मर, ये सब बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल अगर कोई मेटिक्यूलसली फॉलो करे तो. मैं इसमें 100% क्रेडिट ये लड़की को देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि जिस तरह से कनेक्टेड है, मेरा सारे के सारे टीम मेंबर जानते हैं कि किस तरह से वो अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ कनेक्टेड, हाउ शी इज़ सीरियसली फॉलोइंग दिस सब्जेक्ट फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स. मैं सो मेनी ईयर्स इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, 2016 से 2025 तक का जो सफ़र है, कंसिस्टेंटली लेके जाना कोई, और एवरी डे का रिपोर्ट इनका आता है, एवरी सिंगल डे. कभी कभी 2-3 बार जब उनका वाइटल मीटिंग रहता है, मीटिंग जाने से पहले, मीटिंग के बाद क्या आउटपुट हुआ, I know their entire chain, क्या हो रहा है, and how it will change by the blessings of my Guruji and the observation of the subject. मैं इनको पहले अलर्ट कर देता हूँ कि तूफान आने वाला है, ये आएगा, आप थोड़ा सा संभाल लेना, ये चीज़ होने वाला है, इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकता है, आप अलर्ट हो जाओ. तो उनको कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. मतलब उनको कभी कभी लगता है कि डेफिनेटली रोहित अंकल ने बोला है तो कुछ हो सकता है, बट उनको वो बिलीव करना डिफिकल्ट होता है एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बट जब होता है तुरंत फ़ोन आता है कि ऐसा हुआ, प्लीज़ शेयर वन ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस लाइक दैट.
तो ऐसे एक्चुअली 2016 से काफ़ी experiences हैं इस तरह के, and let me share an important one. Kafi recently, there has been a change in the structure of my team in my organization, and it is also connected to somewhere my growth and an upcoming promotion. My performance last year was absolutely amazing, and I was expecting this year to be slightly slow so that I could take it easy a bit. And Rohit Kaku called me up and he said, "Look, there's something coming your way. Just watch out." And I said, "Okay." Week 1 went by, week 2 went by, week 3. I did not feel anything. I thought maybe कोई कुछ plan चल रहा होगा. It'll come probably by mid-year or something. Rohit Kaku checked in again after 4 weeks and he said, "Hey, what's happening? I can see there is some change." And I said, "No, I don't know about it." And within 10 days after that, my boss calls me up and she says, "Look, I got promoted," as in she got promoted this year, and she says, "I am moving to another team, and currently the team you're on, why don't you take it up and run the function on your own?" And that to me was a surprising, awesome blow, because running a function without being the senior manager of the team, I've not seen that before, and this was quite extraordinary for me. And I called up Kaku that very moment and I said, "Look, this is the news that I have. How did you know it?" And he said, I can sense it, and I know this is what's coming your way. And you can see some more interesting stuff coming by the year end. And that to me was, a signal from God to say that, you have some great people watching your back. Thank you, Kaku. I don't know what else to say.
Thank you, Sunandini, for wonderful presentation. You make it wonderfully. So thank you once again, and keep believing this subject and be with us like a family as you continued for 9 odd years. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.